Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to control how spoilers are revealed on Discord Web with the latest update. Specifically, how to set spoiler content to show only when you click on it. This is perfect if you want to avoid accidental spoilers while chatting with friends or in your favorite communities. Let's get started. First, open Discord in your browser. Just head to discord.com and log in with your account. No need to download anything. This works right from your web browser. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to it is a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open your user settings. Inside User Settings, you'll see a menu on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section called Text and Images. Click on it to open more options. Now, scroll through the settings on the right until you find the section labeled Show Spoiler Content. Here, Discord gives you a few choices for how spoilers are displayed. You'll see options like On Click, On Servers I Moderate, and Always. To make sure spoilers are hidden until you choose to see them, select the On Click option. This means any message marked as a spoiler will appear blurred or hidden until you click on it. It's a great way to protect yourself from unwanted surprises, especially in active chats where spoilers can pop up at any time. Once you've selected On Click, you're all set. From now on, spoiler content will stay hidden until you decide to reveal it with a simple click. And that's it. Quick and easy. Now you can enjoy Discord chats without worrying about stumbling into spoilers you're not ready for. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!